Minister of Works, and the information is that they have contracted a company called China Railway 18, and that China Railway 18 is starting works by November to make sure that the road works between Nebi and Arua is done. Additionally, because that road has been a big economic sabotage for us in Westnile, as you all know, that there's not much manufacturing happening in Westnile, and therefore Westnile depends on the central government, central Uganda, getting everything, all the exports from there. The Westnile has largely traders going to Kampala, bring their merchandise and coming to trade here. It's been delaying them, delaying all of us, therefore, to be able to progress and grow in the speed and the rate that we'd like to grow because of that bad road. But the good news is that they're going to fix that road. The contractor has been procured, and also Westnile people who are doing agriculture, they've been having their produce and they want to sell it to the biggest market in DRC. They've been having a challenge to go to Mahali, to connecting them to DRC. Now the good news is President Museveni has already directed. His directive is now at implementation stage. Cabinet passed it that the Nebi Goli road is going to be constructed, and Badea is on ground. He's going to start the construction. Latest by December, we'll be doing groundbreaking and starting the construction of this road.